Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A7. The first thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're looking out for the Audi system at the bottom here. In the meantime, we go over to telephone. See Audi A7, it's already shown up here. I'm going to click that, see what happens. There you go, pin entry might be required. Would you like to connect this device? It's already on yes, so yes. Does this pin match the pin number on your Bluetooth system 166050? It does, so click pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it. It's connected, and if we go to the top here, there we go, Audi A7 connected. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.